Okay, so it's time to create our own video conference application powered by a CPaaS provider. But first, let me show you how such application will look like. So I'm going to run the application and I'm going to open a couple of tabs. So here I'm going to put localhost 3000. I'm going to do the same in another tab. Now I'm going to type a name. This is going to be WebRTC training. Click on go. And I'll do the same in the other tab. WebRTC training. Click on go. And now we have the application running. Now, let's see what is happening under the hood. Notice that in this diagram, there are no such thing as an offer, answer, or candidates. Most CPaaS providers often hide all that complexity, allowing you to focus only on the functionality. So, we have the client, the server, and TalkBox infrastructure. When the first user signs in, it sends a message to the server asking for information about the provided room name. As this is the first user, the server creates a new session on the OpenTalk platform, and then it creates a room. It also creates an authorization token that is sent to the user along with information about the newly created session. On the client side, the user initializes the session and it also creates a publisher. Somewhere behind that publisher lies the call to the Get User Media API. After that, using the token, the client connects to the TalkBox session and publishes his streams to it. When a second or third user connects, the picture is similar. User asks for room information, but in this case, the room and the sessions are already created. So using that information, the server creates a new token and sends it back to the user. Then, same as before, user initializes the session, creates a publisher, connects to the session, and publishes his media streams. Any other user that's already in the call then is able to subscribe to the streams. And that's it. Now, let's jump into the code. When you're ready, move to the next lesson.